Dear students, it is today's class chapter 5. Does it look the same? In last class also we learned about the same chapter. And in that chapter we learned about half turns. And do you remember what was the last question of our last class? हमारा जो लास्ट क्लास हुआ था उस लास्ट क्लास में जो लास्ट चैप्टर जो क्वेश्चन था वो आपको याद आ रहा बच्चों? इट वॉज अबाउट द हाफ टर्न टू लेटर्स ऑफ इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट. इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट को जो हमने हाफ टर्न देना था उसके बाद वेदर वी हैव टू चेक इट, वी हैव टू चेक आवर रिजल्ट वेदर इट वाज चेंज और सेम, वेदर इट वाज चेंज और सेम. तो हमें ये देखना था. इन लास्ट क्लास वी लर्न अबाउट ओनली फर्स्ट 4 लेटर A, B, C and D. A, it was changed after half turn. B, it was also changed. Letter C, it was also changed. And letter D, it was also changed. So first 4 letters we discussed in last class, and all these 4 letters were changed after half turns. Now in today's class, we have to discuss about remaining letter after D. D के बाद जो लेटर बचे हुए हैं उन सब के बारे में भी यहाँ पर भी डिस्कस करना है. तो बच्चों see, again I repeat the same question here. Find out which letter of English alphabet look the same after half turns. अब हमें यहाँ पर जो लेटर्स लिखे उन लेटर में से कौन से लेटर आफ्टर हाफ टर्न लुक द सेम, which letter look the same after half turn, that we have to see here, and then we have to write our result whether it change or not. So see, what is this letter E? तो बच्चों हमें कैसे पता करेंगे कि whether it will change or not? So we can check it with the help of this piece of paper. तो बच्चों एक पेपर पीस लेके हम उसके ऊपर वो लेटर लिख के उसको टर्न देके हम इसे चेक करके देख सकते हैं. तो सी you see, this is our letter E. This is letter E. Now, how it will look after half turn? See, it is letter E. It is without any turn. See, it is quarter turns and it is half turn. So, after half turn, this E look like this one. So, you can draw this picture here. See, it look like this one. आपको ये इस तरह दिखाई देगा. तो what is your result here? See, does look the same? Does it look the same? No. ये दोनों आपको सेम है क्या? नहीं है. इसमें we can write here it is change. It is change. So same way we can check about each and every letter by taking the piece of paper. See, next it is F. It is without any turn. Now after half turns it look like this, and up sorry it is F. After half quarter turn it is quarter turns, and then it is half turns. So after half turn it look like this. See, it look like this. Now see, both are different here. Does it look the same? No. So we can write it is change. Then next it is G. So these students you can try about your each and every letter, and then you will get a result of each letter, and then you have to mention that result whether it change or not. क्या आपका वो आंसर चेंज है कि नहीं है ये आप इसमें लिख सकते हैं. तो देखिए अभी थोड़ा सा हम फास्ट करते हैं. जी क्वार्टर टर्न्स हाफ टर्न्स. तो सी आफ्टर हाफ टर्न्स इट लुक लाइक दिस. आफ्टर हाफ टर्न्स इट लुक लाइक दिस. सो हियर वी कैन राइट इट इज चेंज. इट इज चेंज. नाउ नेक्स्ट लेटर एच. सो व्हाट इज योर गेस अबाउट एच? एच के बारे में आपका गेस क्या है? व्हाट इज योर गेस अबाउट दिस लेटर एच? तो आपका जो लेटर एच है इस एच लेटर के बारे में आपका गेस क्या है? See, this is H without any turn. Then it is quarter turns. It is half turns. So after half turn, see it look like this. आपको ये इस तरह दिखाई दे रहा है. Now does it look the same? क्या दोनों आपको सेम दिख रहे हैं? Yes, it is same. So we can write it is same. Mean after half turn this letter H does not change. It remains same. Next, it is I. It is I. It is without any turn. After quarter turns and after half turns. So after half turns, it look like this. so we can write here same. Both are same, so here we can write same. Okay, here we can write both are same. Now next letter, see J. It is J. After quarter turns it look like this, and after half turn it look like this. So here we can draw this picture. It look like this after half turn. Now see, both are different, so here we can write here change. Okay, J after half turn look like this, so here we can say both are different, so our result is here change. J. Then K. Next letter is K. What is next letter? It is our K. Next letter is K. See, this is K. Next letter is K. Now after half turns it look like this, and after quarter turn. Sorry, once more I repeat it. It is without any turn, after quarter turns, and then after half turns. So after half turns this K look like this one. So here you can write it is K, then it is also change. Okay. Now next letter L. See, this is L. So what is your guess? How does it look after half turns? आपको ये half turn के बाद कैसे दिखाई देगा बेटा? How it will look like after half turns? See, it is L. What is your guess about this? इसके बारे में क्या guess है बेटा आपका? How does it look say? How does it look? ये आपको कैसे दिखाई देगा? See, this is L. This is L. Now it is without any turn. After quarter turns and after half turns, it looks like this. So here you can write this one L. So what is this? Both are different. So here we can write it is change. It is change. And then last, the next letter it is M. See, M. After quarter turns and after half turns, it change as W. It change as W, but both are not same. So abhi here we can write here change. Okay. Now next N. Next is after M, it is N. See, this is N. After N after half turns, how it will look after half turns? हाफ टर्न के बाद जो आपका एन लेटर है वो ये कैसे दिखाएगा? हाउ इट विल लुक आफ्टर हाफ टर्न्स. हाफ टर्न के बाद आपका जो एन लेटर है ये एन लेटर आपको कैसे दिखाई देगा? सी, दिस इज एन विदाउट एनी टर्न. आफ्टर क्वार्टर टर्न्स it look like Z, and after half turn it again look like N. Means so, say there is no change, it look like same, look the same here. So here we can write same. Okay, here we can write same. Then O, next letter is O after half turns. हाफ टर्न के बाद O जो है वो आपका O कैसे हुए दिखाई देगा? How it will look, ये आपको O कैसे दिखाई देगा? How it will look after half turns. हाफ टर्न के बाद आपका जो O है ये देखिए. What is your guess? See, this is O. This is O. Then see O. It is without any turn. After quarter turns and after half turns, it again look like O. So here we can write here whatever O. It is same. It is same. Now next letter is P. After half turns, how it will look like after half turns? हाफ टर्न के बाद आपका जो P है ये आपको P कैसे दिखाई देगा? आफ्टर हाफ टर्न हाउ इट विल लुक, ये आपका जो P लेटर है ये P लेटर हाफ टर्न के बाद कैसे दिखाई देगा? देखिए, सी, टेक द पेपर ऑफ पीस नाउ, राइट P here and give quarter turns and then half turn. Now see, after half turn it look like this. After half turn it look like this thing. So here both are not same. So here we can write change. Here we can write change. हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे बेटा ये change हो रहा है. Then next Q. क्वार्टर टर्न के बाद Q जो है वो देखिए क्यू को भी क्या करेंगे, सी दिस इज क्यू, दिस इज क्यू, इट इज क्वार्टर टर्न्स and it is half turns. So after half turns it look like this, after half turns it look like this. So here also देखिए both are not same, so here we can write change. Okay, here we can write change. Now R after half turns, after half turns R कैसे होगा, how it will look, see it is R capital, then after quarter turns and after half turns. Okay, so see it look like this, it look like this, R after half turns R. So now see both are not same, so here we can write here change. Okay, both are not same, so here we can write change. Then see S, it is S quarter turns after, without, it is without any turn. See it is quarter turns and it is half turns. After half turns it look like this only. So now see there is no any change, both look same, both are looking same, so we can write here same, or result is same. Then next T, next letter is T. Now what is your guess about T, क्या होगा बच्चों T के बारे में, see it will, whether it will change or not, क्या लगता है आपको, क्या ये जो टी लेटर है, आपका टी लेटर ये चेंज होगा कि नहीं होगा, whether it will look change after half turns or not. See this is T after quarter turns and it is after half turns. So here we can draw this picture. After half turn it look like this. So see both are different, so here we can write change, we can write here change. Now see next letter, it is U, it is U, next letter it is U after half turn. See this is U quarter turns and it is after half turns. So after half turn it look like this, आपको ये इस तरह दिखाई देगा. So you can write your U is change here, so see right here change, because it is not same, ये आपका same नहीं है, it is change. Now see V, it is V आफ्टर हाफ टर्न, हाउ इट विल लुक लाइक, आपका हाफ टर्न के बाद आपका जो V है, ये V आपको कैसे दिखाई देगा, हाउ इट विल लुक लाइक आफ्टर हाफ टर्न, हाफ टर्न के बाद आपका V कैसे दिखाई देगा. देखिए अगेन यू टेक द पीस ऑफ पेपर, ड्रॉ द पिक्चर ऑफ V, उसमें V पिक्चर ड्रॉ कीजिए, V लेटर राइट ए लेटर V एंड देन गिव इट टर्न, क्वार्टर टर्न, हाफ टर्न एंड देन यू चेक व्हाट इज योर रिजल्ट, आपका रिजल्ट क्या है वो आप उसे चेक करके देख सकते हो. सी इट इज V, it is V. Now see it is without any turn, it is without any turn and then it is after quarter turns, it is after half turns. So after half turn your V will be like this, V will like, so see both are different, so again here you can write change, आप यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं it is change. Now next it is W, it is W. See without any turn, then after quarter turns, after half turn it changed as M. See it is changed as same, but does it same look same, but दोनों एक same है आपको, जो W है W change as M, but these both are not same, so again here we can write change, it does not look the same after half turns. Now last next it is X, it is X. So see where is X here now, see this one is X, this one is X. So what is this X after quarter turns, after half turns, so after half turns it look like this one, so here we can write it is same, now both are looking same, so we can write as same. Okay, now Y, it is Y, it is Y. See Y without any turn, after quarter turns, after half turns, after half turns it look like this, it look like this, so we can say it is change, it is change. Now Z, It is Z now. See, it is Z. Quarter, what is this? It is Z without any change. ये बिना चेंज का आपका Z है. One more, I will take the another paper now here. For Z, I will take one more paper. See, it is Z. Now after quarter turns, it changes N. क्वार्टर, अगर Z को आप देखिए Z है ये, तो Z को अगर आप क्वार्टर टर्न देते हैं तो ये क्या होगा? N होगा. और अगेन इसको वन मोर टर्न दीजिए विथ हाफ टर्न होगा, देन इट विल बी लुक लाइक दिस Z. ये आपका Z दिखाई देगा. सी, नाउ हियर बोथ आर सेम, सो हियर वी कैन राइट सेम. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आउट ऑफ दिस 26 लेटर we check every letter whether it change or not. So after changing, after our verification, after turn, after giving half turn to each letter, we got this letter H same, I as same, and then again N. See, N is same, O is same, S is same, then X is same, जो आपका X है, and then last one is Z is same. So this way 1, 2, 3, then 4, it is 5, and then see this one is 6 and 7. तो out of 26 जो लेटर है बेटा उसमें 26 लेटर में से जो 7 लेटर है, 7 लेटर remain same after half turns and remaining 19 लेटर आर चेंज आफ्टर हाफ टर्न. हाफ टर्न के बाद आपके जो 19 लेटर है वो आपके चेंज हुए हैं. सी, ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन 2. सी, क्वेश्चन 2, विच ऑफ दिस इंग्लिश वर्ड रीड द सेम ऑन हाफ टर्न्स. ये जो वर्ड लिखे बेटा, इस वर्ड में से कौन से वर्ड ऐसे जिनको हाफ टर्न देने के बाद भी आपको वो सेम दिखाई देते हैं. देखिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 वर्ड्स आर देयर. फर्स्ट वन ZOOM. तो इसका क्या होगा? हाफ टर्न के बाद क्या होगा बेटा? कैसे चेंज होगा? देखिए M will become first and when you give the half turn to the M, जब M को हाफ टर्न देंगे it will change as W. चेंज हुआ यहाँ पर. Then O will be remain same, this O will remain same, and again Z will remain same. So after half turn this ZOOM will look like this. So here we can write C is change. It is change. ओके. तो ये जो आपका Z है, ये आपका Z के बाद क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? तो ZOOM जो है इट विल चेंज आफ्टर हाफ टर्न. हाफ टर्न के बाद आपका ये जो ZOOM है इट विल चेंज. सी, ZOOM कैसे चेंज होगा? ZOOM क्वार्टर टर्न्स हाफ टर्न, सो इट लुक लाइक दिस. W, सी, WOOZ, तो इट इज चेंज. नेक्स्ट MOW, ये क्या होगा बेटा? MOW क्या चेंज होगा कि सेम होगा? देखिए दिस W विल कम फर्स्ट बट W विल चेंज एज M, देन दिस O इट विल बी रिमेन इन बिटवीन सेम एंड M विल गो लास्ट. ये लास्ट में जाएगा बट M विल बी चेंज एज W. आपका जो M है वो W बनेगा. नाउ सी, MOW आफ्टर हाफ टर्न इज आल्सो MOW, सो इट इज व्हाट? सेम. इट इज सेम. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्विम. सी, SWIMS. तो इसका क्या चेंज होगा बेटा? S इट विल बी रिमेन सेम, देन M विल बी चेंज एज W, I इट विल रिमेन सेम, देन W इट विल चेंज एज M, and again it is S, it will remain same. See, SWIMS, and here also SWIMS, it is same. Now just check with this paper. See, it is swim, SWIMS. It is quarter turns, it is half turns. After half turn also both words are looking same, so here we can write same. Now same, next SIS. This S will come first, so here we will write S. No change. I also will remain change in between only, and then this S will go last, so it is S. So see, SIS. So what you can write here? It is same. It is same. And last one, See, noon, N-O-O-N, noon. It is noon. Now, this is without turn, quarter turns, half turns. So, see, it is N-O-O-N. It looks the same. So, what we can write here, beta? See, it is noon. It looks this without quarter turns and then half turn. Even after half turn, it looks the same. Out of these 5 words, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 words are same after half turns and only one word is here change after half turns. Now students, see last questions. It is about digits. Give half turn to the digits from 1 to 9. 1 से लेकर तक 9 तक जो digits है उसको half turn दीजिए. Find out which of these still look the same. तीन में से कौन से लेटर आपके सेम रहते हैं और कौन से चेंज होते हैं. So see, this is 1. So what will happen with 1? See, this is 1 without any turn, quarter turns, half turns. After half turns, it looks like this. Now 2 को देखिए बेटा, क्या होगा 2 के साथ? बेटा it will change or not? क्या ये चेंज होगा कि नहीं होगा? ये जो आपका 2 है, ये 2 आपका चेंज होगा कि नहीं होगा? देखिए तो, see, this is your 2, quarter turns and then half turns. So after half turns, ये कैसे दिखाई देगा बेटा? After half turns, it look like this. After half turns, it look like this. Okay? Then 3 के बारे में देखिए तो, it is 3, quarter turns, half turns. So after half turns, it look like this. Okay, look like this. Then 4, see, it is 4, quarter, half. Quarter and half, like this. Then next, is 5. See, it is 5 without any turn, quarter turns, half turns. So after half turns, it look like this. After half turns, it look like this. Okay? Then 6. See, it is 6, quarter turns, half turns. So after half turn, it look like this. Then it is 7. It is 7. So see, this one is 7. After half turns, it is without any turns. Then 8. See, this is 8 without any turns, quarter turns, half turns. It look like this. And last one, it is 9. Quarter turns and half turns, it look like this. So see, after giving half turn to each one, our result is, this one is same, it is same, this one is change, same, sorry, change, it is also change, it is same, it is change. Out of this digit from 1 to 9, only these 2 digits, 1 and 8 remain same. 1 and 8, these 2 are same and other are changed after half turns. So this way it is about today's class. Thank you.